Hello everyone. Hope everyone's having a good day and enjoying the videos. Today is November 21st, 2019. Yay! And today's my birthday. Celebrating my birthday, I am making several YouTube videos. I started with this one over here. A video on super high shank feet. There was 16 choices. Since then, about half of them sold. Those are selling fast. I just made a video on low shank feet. Over there, that was 65 low shank feet. A few of those are sold already. And now, I want to thank those coming in and making orders right away. We're about to do a video on high shank feet. High shank feet. Normally $9. They've been on sale. Oh, there's a video right now on high shank feet that I'm going to delete. It was kind of set up like this. But then they all kind of got messed up a little bit. A bunch of them sold. So I tossed that out. Those brown boxes are working real well. So I redid it and I actually found a few more. So we're doing a video on 55 reasons why it's good to own a high shank sewing machine. Alright. We'll just leave it right there for a second. Let everyone take a look at those feet. Most of you that's been part of the channel and the groups for a while know that the best way to order is to go to my Facebook group and send me a personal message. I should mention PayPal is preferred and is very, very easy to use. Very easy to use. Very good company. Alright, so let's start off here. I'm going to do it just like I've done the last videos, and I'm going to actually bring each foot closer to the camera. We're going to allow us to see the back side of it too, and let's get it in focus about right in here somewhere. I see my hands are full of red markers. So, started again with the high shank straight stitch foot. That's number one. Number two there is a high shank zigzag, or often called the general foot. Hammer foot. This we have to take out. I noticed that just now it's black. It's a what this is a high shank black side industrial singer. So I'm going to put that off. What can we throw in there? Even if it's a double, we just have to fill a number. Let's put this one in there. Oh, let's bring it up. Number 4. And you're going to see that down here too in a different color knob. But this one's orange. No clue what that does. It adjusts this way. Just this way. Interesting. There's number 4 with the orange knob. You'll see it later with the white knob. Number 5. Oh. Okay, I'm okay. There's just a number on this. Oh, this is number 6. This is number 6. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Look at that wild thing. I'm double checking for markings again. Number 9. Number 10. This has a marking, just a number. Don't ask me to read it, it's too small. Here's another one with it's just a number. It's number 13 or number 11. Number 11. I probably should have looked up those numbers, but it might be special feet for something. We're gonna let it fly though. Number 12 with the toe. Number 13, same thing, toe, but fat toe. I don't know how to explain it. You got like some kind of button foot. 14. And I can barely pick this one up. Kind of has a wild angle on it. I don't know what that does. Then here's another. Looks like some other kind of button foot without the plastic. 16. 17. This one looks kind of industrial. Has a number on it. 120182H8H. 18. We're gonna let it fly. Leave it there. I don't know how I missed all these ones with numbers. Zipper foot. It says zip on it right there. L. Zipper left. There's another zipper left. A little skinnier. We got a zipper right. I'm not gonna pick all these up. We have just checking here, making sure it's off. Looks like I am absolutely correct. I'm going, that does not belong. That was a Singer slant shank. Let's find one. Good thing I had a couple spares here. Find one to take up the space here. I don't know if we have this one, but we're going to fill up number 22. Nope, I see that one already. All right, number 22. I don't know if it's on there or not, but we're gonna go with it. Number 22. Number 23 is a double on the button foot. We're gonna just leave it there. Number 24 looks like a industrial straight stitch foot. Number 25. Like a pitchfork. Number 26. Or I said that wrong. I know I did something wrong. Number 14. Number 15. This don't look right either. I want to say this stitch in the ditch looks like a slant. I'm pulling this out. 16. Nope, can't use that. May not be anything left. Alright, 16's blank. Okay, 17. There is no 18. Where's the 18? Looks like I missed a number. This zigzag looks a little fatter than the one on top, so we'll call this one number 18. It's right there. Number 19. Number 20. Trying to get away. Missing another number. All right. To fill the spot, number 21. $22. 23. 24. I put the numbers kind of close together. I see the problem. I am a little confusing. Number 25. Number 26. Yeah, I'm seeing I did a couple doubles too. It's all good. Number 27. Number 28. Number 29. Number 30. $31. I'm kind of speeding it up because I got a couple more videos to do and there's a lot of requests coming in. 32. 33. And I'm getting kind of hungry. 34. Maybe I'll treat myself. Bear with me, I'm just trying to make out a word on here. I think it says Japan. It's a wild looking foot. That's 35. Okay, the ruffler on 36. Etched third stitcher on 37. This guy on 38. This guy, we'll probably see him again later, I think, but he's on 39. Just $7, all these wonderful feet. 41, look at that. That's too crazy. Oh, this is that one. Oh, this one. Look at that thing. You adjust it and it flips. I like that. 42. And a fringe foot. Fringe foot. It's a fringe foot. For fringing. Alright. 43. 44. 45 is your roller foot. 46. Got a number on it. All these numbered ones might have came in a set or something. 47. Oh, I've been forgetting to flip it over. Show the bottoms. 48. 49. 50. It's a very nice top shank. 51. I put them all to show how many I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I love people to try these. There's like 8 of them. whatever they do, they adjust this way. Very interesting. There's like 3 52s as well. $7, you can't beat that. And then 53. There's 3 of those. I think we seen that earlier. Might be 4 of those. 53 and 54. Gotta told it. That is very cool. And 55, finally. 55 reasons why it's good to own a vintage High Shank sewing machine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you know anyone that would enjoy this video as well, please share the video. Put this back in focus towards the end here. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching. There's going to be another video coming out very soon on gift ideas. It's coming out today. Enjoy your day.